How to book a flight in Expedia. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually book a flight with Expedia. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to book a flight with Expedia, all you need to do is simply go ahead and launch the Expedia app on your device. Then once you launch the Expedia app, you will see this type of interface where you just need to tap the flights icon, which is at the very top of the screen. Then once you tap the flights icon, you'll find the option called flying from. So you have to select from where you're actually flying over here. So let me just go ahead and select that option here. Then once I simply select that option over here, I'll just simply select that, and then after I've done it, you have to select flying to, and then just select the date where you're actually flying to or the destination place. Then once you've done that, you can choose a start date, and then you can also choose the end date, and then just click on done. And then you can also select the number of travelers and your preferred class, which is economy, first class, business, or premium economy. And then just click on the search button over here. Once you click on the search button, it will search for flights, and then here you'll be able to see a list of all the available flights. Then you can just click on that specific flight over here, then just select the option called continue, and then you will be able to ask to confirm your payment info and so on in order to be able to book that specific flight. And this is simply how you can book a flight on Expedia. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.